Well, hello, it's Bears back. Got a lock for you. This one's by Jeffrey Post. It's his number 33. There's the bidding on the key. Works fine. We're going to see about getting into this bad boy. Okay. All right. Now, a lot of those on that key are up high, so I'm just going to kind of work them up here. See what I can come up with. I'm hoping. Okay. Oh, that one gave me a little kickback. I don't know if that was good, but he gave me a little kickback. I don't know, that might have been bad. Let's see what we feel. Interesting. I don't feel like I'm getting anywhere. Try Trackmaster 30's pick here. See if that gets us anywhere. Oh, I felt something move. I think I just ruined it though. Whatever it was. Well, shoot. Well, I don't know. Not feeling it. And we're open. Okay, it was in the back. The one in the back was holding me. So that's an open, folks. Right there. Okay. Let's say this is a pusher. Supposed to be a push type. Nah. Yeah, it does. It's just not pushing. Where's the top? Okay. Oh, sorry. Banging into the camera. Are you kidding me? There it is. It just doesn't want to come off of there. Little rascal. Where's my top? There. Okay, the key pins are towards me. Let's turn it over just a little bit more. Got the shakes this morning, bad. Oh, okay. Let's get that out. Wow, they are really up in there. Oh. And 5. Thinking. Okay. And I think I see threading. And let's see. Feels like 1, 2. Feels like, where's my little light? Where'd it go? I had it here, right here. And it disappeared. There it is. 1, 2. All 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all threaded. Looks like. Okay. Yeah. Well, shoot. Let's see what we got on the first pin. That's a spool. Dang it. Shouldn't have drank that coffee. Sorry about that, guys. I wasn't prepared like I was thinking about being prepared, so ooh, that's a good one. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. I'm going for the light and I'm getting it out of the way of the camera here. Okay. Going for this one in the back. This way. Hold still. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there I go again. That one was like that. Okay. You weren't in there. Let's see what we got here. See, threading in chamber 2. And that's it. Threading in chamber 2 on that. I think that one's upside down. Oh, you dog. And this is what was in number 33 by Jeffrey Post. So evil looking pins, guys. Very nice job, Jeffrey. And that's it for number 33 by Jeffrey Post. Thanks for watching. Stay legal and have fun, guys. Bye.